Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is just my personal experience with the service. Today we're taking a look at Mint Mobile, found at www.minttmobile.com. Mint Mobile offers prepaid wireless phone service utilizing T-Mobile's network infrastructure. This means you get access to a large and well-established network, but at a potentially lower cost than going directly through T-Mobile. One of Mint Mobile's main selling points is its flexible plan options. They typically offer a range of data allowances, from smaller packages for lighter users to larger ones for those who stream a lot of video or use data-intensive applications. These plans are typically purchased in bulk for 3, 6, or 12 months at a time, which is how they're able to keep their pricing competitive. It's worth noting that the longer the term you commit to, the lower your monthly cost will be. Mint Mobile frequently runs promotions and deals, so it's a good idea to check their website for the latest offers. They often have introductory pricing or special bundles available. Keep an eye out for those. Now, because Mint Mobile is a prepaid service, you pay for your service upfront. There are no contracts, so you have the flexibility to switch carriers if you're not satisfied. This makes it a good option for people who value flexibility and don't want to be locked into a long-term agreement. Another thing to consider is that since Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, coverage should be very similar. However, it's always a good idea to check coverage in your specific area, especially if you live in a more rural location, before committing to a plan. You can usually do this directly on Mint Mobile's website. When considering Mint Mobile, think about your data usage habits. If you're a heavy data user, you'll need to factor that into your plan selection. While they do offer larger data plans, exceeding your allowance can result in slower speeds or additional charges, depending on the plan you choose. It's also worth looking into their customer service options and reviews. See what other customers are saying about their experiences with Mint Mobile support and service quality. Finally, don't forget to compare Mint Mobile to other prepaid carriers and even traditional postpaid options to make sure you're getting the best deal for your needs. Choosing a wireless carrier involves a lot of factors, so do your research and choose the option that best fits your usage patterns and budget.